Yes, we have lots of customers approach us for different engine powertrain options. We've accommodated all sorts of different engines over the years. Nothing's too weird, too complicated. We'll have a go. We relish the challenge. So this particular car behind us, a customer approached us wanting to put a Honda S2000 in, which we've done a few over the years, but this one was slightly different in that they were running it on throttle bodies and a full dry sump system. Normally on the Honda engine, you find they're quite a tall engine. The head on them is very high, so you're often limited on space because of the sump height, so you either have to have the engine higher in the chassis and compromise. So what we've done in this, we've actually got the engine at the optimum position because we've got the clearance underneath, got it down, actually got it under the bonnet, the new exhaust manifolds, mounts, really optimised the packaging. So the standard engine that we're fitting at the moment is the Duratec, either in 2 litre, 2.3, 2.5. We're also doing the Mazda MX-5 variants for the kits. Over the years though, we've done loads of different engine options, right back to your sort of pre-Crossflows, Pinto, your Ford Twin Cam, the Scorpio V6s, we've done the Mazda V6, Saab Turbo, quite a few rotary engines, RX-8, RX-7 in various forms. A few bike engines from some of the Suzukis, Fireblades, Kawasaki 1400, and we've just started doing a few EVs as well, so quite a mix of different technologies and installations. Yeah, we're up for a challenge to put anything in, so within reason, whether it be a jet from a helicopter or something like that, we'll have a go.